tonight and next Tuesday. Also, the guys were named last week's Team of the Week by Spartanburg Touchdown Club. Oh, and one more thing. From tomorrow, some of you may know I have a date. 3 weeks from tomorrow, I have a date with Destiny. 3 weeks from tomorrow, February 27th, 3 Count Pro Wrestling will be right here in this gym. 3 weeks from tomorrow, February 27th, I will become the new 3 Count Heavyweight Champion. Right after I wipe the floor with that piece of crap, Mama's Boy, Loaded Guns, Ken Magner. Although it's not every day you get the opportunity to become the heavyweight champion. So I need all of you to be right here, because I know how loud you can all get, and get inside that punk's head. Because that's all good coaches do after scouting my opponent. After scouting my opponent, he has weaknesses. Excuse me. Bowling Springs High School. All I can hear you say, Punk. By the way, you. Who are you?
One thing you better understand, you better know who I am. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You better understand who I am. I am Tim Smith, Vice President of 3 Count Pro Wrestling, and also, better yet, I am the business advisor of the 3 Count Heavyweight Champion, Loaded Guns, Ken Magner. So, you let me tell you, on February 27th, let me explain to you what's going to happen to you, boy. Better yet, hold up, better yet, I'm going to let Ken Magner tell you what's going to happen. You understand? Tell him, Ken.
One moment. I'm only going to warn you one time. You keep your mouth shut.
You better stay back, big boy. He stole that belt. He stole that belt.
That's all right. We gotta go.
That's bull.
Come on, we gotta go.
That's bull crap. I don't care, man. You can't touch this belt. This is our belt.
I care.
You understand me? This is bull.
Let's go. Get your car and leave. Get your car and leave. Take off.
This is bull. You wait. You will be here for my life.
Absolutely, I'll be
Bull
here. Go
crap.
get in your car and leave.
Bull crap.
You open your mouth one more time, you're going to jail. You understand? Get in your car and leave. Get in your car and
Come
go.
on, Tim. Don't waste your time.
Go.